Mastering Counteroffers and Suggestions in English Conversation. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we will be diving into an important aspect of conversational English, making counteroffers or suggestions. This is a significant part of negotiating the offer when responding to someone else's proposal or request. It's about expressing your preferences or bringing up new ideas in a conversation in a respectful and clear manner. So, let's get started. A counteroffer is a response to an offer, which suggests different terms or conditions. It's a way to negotiate, to make the conditions more favorable for you. For instance, if someone offers to meet you at 2 p.m. and you're not free then, you could counteroffer by suggesting a different time. On the other hand, a suggestion is about proposing an idea or plan. Suggestions allow you to add your own ideas into the conversation. For example, if someone suggests going to the cinema, you might suggest watching a particular movie. The key to making effective counteroffers and suggestions is to be polite, clear, and flexible. Here are some common phrases used in making counteroffers. 1. What if we? You could say, what if we meet at 3 p.m. instead? 2. How about? For instance, how about I give you a call tomorrow? 3. Would it be possible to? You could use this to say, would it be possible to switch our meeting to Monday? 4. I would prefer, an example would be, I would prefer if we could discuss this over lunch. Remember, the aim is to negotiate, not to confront. Always maintain a friendly and respectful tone. Here are some common phrases used to make suggestions. 1. Let's, you can say, let's meet at the coffee shop near your office. 2. Why don't we, for instance, why don't we reschedule this for next week? 3. I suggest, you could use this to say, I suggest we take a short break before we continue. 4. How about, an example could be, how about we brainstorm some new ideas for this project? When you're suggesting, you're also offering an opportunity for collaboration, so don't forget to consider the other person's views as well. Now, let's practice with some examples. Person A, can we meet at 10 a.m. tomorrow for the meeting? Person B, I have a prior appointment at that time. How about we meet at 1 p.m. instead? Here, Person B made a counteroffer. Person A, we could have lunch at the new Italian restaurant. Person B, that sounds good, but I suggest we try the Thai place instead. I've heard they have excellent food. In this example, Person B made a suggestion. And that's it for today's lesson. We've covered how to make counteroffers and suggestions when negotiating in English. Remember, the key is to express your preferences or ideas in a respectful, clear, and polite manner. Practice these phrases, and you'll soon master this essential aspect of English conversation. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing. See you in our next video.